What they said talaga in the open forum was like, so good, they're so good. I look up to them kasi they were brave enough to do that kahit nominee sila nun. And they were really putting themselves in the danger kasi they're really bringing out what they really thought about the Tocino and hot dog. Which brings us to the topic of fairness, patas. Pinahalagan ko talaga yung sinabi nila na patas, the people I used to look up to, this is how they're gonna treat us now. Parang, I'm so confused na. Oo nga, house challengers kayo. You know what? Nung una, when you guys weren't, okay with sharing the stuff, sinasabi ko, you know guys, baka ginagawa nila yan kasi they're house challengers. They're meant to challenge us, guys. Oo, naiinis ako, pero sinasabi ko talaga na, guys, no.
Where's the fairness? Here, sa loob ng bahay. Lahat nung nararanasan namin, kinakain namin, equally, sinishare namin sa nasa loob.
You did know it was our chicken. You guys didn't think it was unfair man lang na hindi kami makatanggap ng kahit konti lang. Kasi chicken namin yun eh. Where is the fairness there talaga?
Yeah, it's unfair sa inyo. Pero napagdesisyonan, hindi ilalabas ang chicken.
For now, we're not your friend.
Hindi ko lang alam kung nasa na yung Kuya Dong na nakilala namin nun na bago magsimula yung diskusyon, ikaw yung inaasahan namin na makakaintindi sa amin kasi palagi kang may binibigay na option. Palagi mong tinitignan yung patas na side.
Siguro yung term na coward, yung pagiging takot, I'm always fair nung housemate pa ako at kung kasama ko kayo. And this time, I'm thinking of Jaren, Jazz, Therese, and Patrick. I fight for them.
Kay JM, nakitaan po namin siya ng improvement pagdating po sa pagsasabi po ng saloobin po niya. Sana po mas nilaban ko pa po yung hinaing po ng mga kasama niya kasi po siya po talaga yung nakakita nung hirap po. May mas ibubuga pa po siya.
I think kilala niyo naman ako. Naglaman namin ni Jaren. Pero kasi nga, we had to be fair also. At consensus na kami, talo pa rin kami.
What if we just consider everybody? Kami, tsaka kayo. Oo nga, we're in different parts of the house, but we're still as one. Oo nga, we're both in different worlds, but that doesn't stop us from sharing and caring. Yun lang.
Kai stood up. She was rational about it. She was very technical, but may puso yung mga sinasabi niya. Kahit she was crying, you can feel the pain, pero you can also feel na she's really fighting for what she believes is right.
Gawin namin ang best namin para hindi nyo agawin ang spot namin. Gawin nyo din ang best nyo para agawin yung spot namin. Para same lang. Basta sa pagkain, bigyan nyo kami.
For Colette, siya talaga yung pinaka nagsalita ng direct without any flowery words. And she's in the position to speak what is right na po, kuya.
That's our decision. Period.
Ready, go. Basta kami hindi din namin ibibigay ang spot namin.
Dito nagtatapos ang pag-uusap sa paglalahad nyo ng inyong mga hinaing sa isa't isa. Makakalabas na kayo.
Oo, thank you.
I swear, my patience test talaga.
No, just accept that.
Yung nararamdaman ni Fiang, it was more of pain, kuya.
If I'm being honest, madami kayong nasabi about Therese.
Baka
which was about,
nagka-acting lang sila.
it was too personal.
May bawi si Lord bukas. Promise.
Tagas sa puso yung kuya.
Galing mo.
I'm just saying, let's not blame Therese din kasi what
Saka hindi naman natin kumbaga bine-blame sa Ungoy. Pag ginagawa natin ang Ungoy yung pagiging first sa victim niya eh.
Maintindihan na lahat. Kailangan pa rin natin mag-focus sa goal natin.
Dito nga ba naramdaman mo?
Hindi to iyak dahil malungkot ako dahil galit ako.
Galit ka?
Bakit ako malulungkot sa mga yun? Sino sila?
Relax na.
Gold. Galit to.
Relax lang yan, lumaban na lang.
Ang hirap makipagtalo sa makiti ng utak.